everybody, this is Reese Pieces Library, and I'm Reese Piece, and today we're going to be reading There's a Bird on Your Head by MO Willems, and here's Piggy. She'll be in the audience with you, and, well, we should get started reading the book, right? Alright, A Bird on Your Head by MO Willems. Here comes a bird. Landed on Gerald. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. What are two birds doing on my head? Are they in love? They're lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds be making a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do we have an egg on my head? Ooh. 1, 2, 3! You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Ooh. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Sheep, sheep, sheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Oh, look. Look, there's the pigeon in the nest. Over here. Look, 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 look. Isn't that hilarious? Goodness. He's always in the back of the book somewhere. He's always in it. He's always in every single book. Isn't that the craziest thing? He's always there. He's always there. He's always there. So, well, that was The Bird on Your Head by MO Willems. Bye.